Figure shows a potentiometer with a cell of 2.0 volt, right? So see, E1 is equal to 2 volt, internal resistance R is equal to 0.4 ohm, maintaining a potential drop across the resistor wire AB, a standard cell which maintains a constant EMF of E2 is equal to 1.02 volt for a very moderate currents up to a few milliammeter gives balance point. So balance point here we have L is equal to 67.3 centimeter, length of the wire to ensure very low currents drawn from the standard cell of very high resistance of 600 kilo ohm. So R we have 600 kilo ohm is put in series with it, which is shorted close to the balance point. The standard cell is then replaced by a cell of unknown EMF E, right? So unknown EMF E at the balance point found similarly turns out to be at now new balance point is 82.3 centimeter. So what is the value of E, right? So see here, E2 upon E is equal to that L2, this is L2 upon L. So here E we have to find, subject that E. So cross multiplication E2L upon L2. So E2 is 1.02 into L, that is 82.3 upon L2 is 67.3. So E is equal to 1.02 into 82.3 upon 67.3. So that is 1.25. So 1.25 voltage is the other that EMF E, right? Now second question is, what purpose does the high resistance of 600 kilo ohm have? So for high resistance, that value doesn't affect on the null point, it remains as it is. But see, we are getting that movable contact for the our value for the position. So the purpose for high resistance to get that movable, that far movable value for the position, right? Is the balance point affected by this high resistance? So answer is that no, balance point never affected by this high resistance. Now next question is, would the method work in the above situation if the driver cell of the potentiometer had an EMF of 1 volt instead of 2 volt? So method will not work if we use 1 volt instead of 2 volt, because see, that cell value is 1 volt and we are giving the double of that value, so null point will never come. So that's why this method will not work. Next question, that would the circuit work well for determining an extremely small EMF, say of the order of millivolt? If not, how will you modify the circuit? See, for this such smaller value, for that error will be more large, right? Because for this extremely small EMF, that null point is near to the point A, then null point we are not getting exactly, so error will be more. So if so here answer is no. And how will modify the circuit? By giving the proper voltage to the circuit, to the main supply, right? By giving proper voltage to the main supply, we will get null point clearly. And next question is, can we use above circuit to measure very small EMF of the order of millivolt, right? If not, then what change would you make? So answer is clearly no. And we can apply that resistance in series. So we have to connect resistances in series, then voltage drop, right? Voltage drop will be more than the EMF, and if voltage drop will be more than the EMF, null point we found very easily.